Cummings yn ôl i Ratcliffe. Ratcliffe o'r basfer yn rhifer, a Clark bron ar hwydo, ond Ratcliffe yn gwneud yn iawn am y gamgymeriad. Jared Wright o'r isodle braidd. Redmond wedi darllen honna, wedi hennill i Ryan Brobl. Brobl ergydio, a mae'n gol. Mae'r Seintiau Newydd ar y blaen. Ryan Brobl yn sgorau 6 gol gyngrair y tymor hwn. Amddiffyn Pontypridd wedi cadw'r pencampwyr allan am 32 funudau. Smith yn gyrru mlaen. Brobl, y weledigaeth. Mae'r bas yn lletraws i Jordan Williams. Digonedd y grysau gwyrdd a gwynion o'i flaen. Clark yn cymryd y bel yn ei gam. Clark yn rhwydo. Ben Clark. A'i bedwaredd gol o tymor hwn ac yn ei chymryd i yn hyfryd. Y symudiad yn slic gan y Seintiau a Clark yn coroni'r cyfan. Smith o'r gig gornel i mewn at Astles a Hudson mae'n mynd. Daniels yn syth nôl at y canol. Mae'n cael ei ffynio yn wan at Astles! Ac oeddech chi'n gallu gweld y penawdau. Astles bron a taro'r foli i'r gornel ucha. Brobl. Smith. Daniels. Clark. Caradogan ar ei olo. Clark yn cael y bas allan. At Redmond! Dyna chi sgil. A tas y honna'r ochr arall i'r postyn. Fyddai yn cystadlu am gol y tymor. Clark. Redmond. Mae Hudson yno ar y postyn pella. Hudson yn dal i fynd. Mae Williams yn y canol. Y peniad. Ydy wedi croesi'r llinell, wedwch. Ydy, mae'n gol. A dwi'n meddwl mae gol i'w rwyd i hun gan Keston Davies yw i yn erbyn i gyn glwb. Reit ar ddiwedd yr hanner cynta. Hudson yn cystadlu. Davies yn trio i hennill i rhag Williams. Ond yn ei ffenio hi nôl. A chroesodd i'r llinell. Wel do nôl dyfarnwr. Lle gan Brobl. I'w chroesi hi eto. O Ratcliffe di cholli hon yn yr awyr. Hudson! Y bel yn cael ei chlirio oddi ar y llinell. Redmond y cloesiad. Hudson eto! Fodfeddi heibio. 2 gyfle i Blaine Hudson. Yr ailyn o'r cloesiad perffaith gan Redmond. Bron a sleifio i mewn. Y Seintiau ni hennill i nôl. Ac yna'r pasio cyffyrddiau cynta i greu lle i Brobl ergydio. A George Ratcliffe yn ymestyn i'w hatal i fel mae wedi gwneud droion y tymor yma i Pontypridd. Clark yn ei chasglu eto. Ac yn lledu'r chwarae. Clark yn ei derbyn ni. O'r sgil. Yr ergyd. Clark! Na chi gol wefreiddiol gan Ben Clark! Nid yn unig gol ar gêm, ond o bosib gol ar penwythnos yn unrhyw le. Oedd honna yn berffaith.
I think we started very sloppy today, similar to Tuesday really. Obviously, when we went 1-0 down on Tuesday, we were exactly the same. So that first goal just gives everyone a boost, and then the second goal sort of kills it off a little bit, and then getting one just before half-time is pretty much game over. The result's a result. I mean, so that, you know, again, coming to TNS and trying to get a result is not easy. But they were very good today. I thought, you know, first 25 minutes, thought the game plan was right. We had transition opportunities. We had one of the first biggest chances of the game with Dan Williams. But I've got to be honest, after that, then they counter the press, and now the take of the game was excellent.
They've only had before today 5 goals scored past small season and conceded the least in the, you know, out the whole league. So yeah, you obviously, you know, got to play well to break that solid shape down, well organised, well disciplined, you know, well coached. So yeah, it's more pleasing for me is just as much as the clean sheet as well, because we haven't had a clean sheet in 5 games.
And I've got to talk to you about the second goal. Talk us through it.
Well, yeah, I received the ball from Sis on the side, and then I heard Matt on, so I just checked back, and then just seen the top corner open and tried my luck, and luckily that one went in. Always been about 22 games. We proved that last year. You know, we finished phase 1 with 20 points, and then look at the points difference we had in phase 2. We want to beat that this year, and I think we still will, with the 12 games remaining. So we just got to keep positive and keep doing what we're doing. What's probably stood us in good stead is that the draw here against Barry. You know, we're 2-0 up. I think we control the game just as much, if not more, against Barry. We probably had more actual goal-scoring opportunities. We maybe not had as much possession.
but then they creep up and they score 2 goals from 2 set plays in the last 10 minutes and we'll lose 2 points. So I think that's hopefully that happening 7-8 games ago, it's in the forefront of our minds when we're setting our stall out about our tempo and our momentum and how we're going to approach the game and keep the game at our tempo and not drop off whether we're 2, 3, 4, 5. It's still the same, still the same tempo.